Hi everyone. In the last video, I made some real trades in the live market and I explained you about each and every trades I made. So those who want to watch the video, just go and watch it. So in this video, I'm going to explain about what is market corrections. In our Telegram channel, a follower asked us about to tell what is market correction and how to predict it and how to trade with it. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you about these stuffs. First, see this is an Euro USD market. It's 153 and it's 11. So after that, 153 to 11, the market is going high. After that, market getting reversed and moving down. So in this uptrend, you can see at this particular time, maybe I think 7 to 7:15, I think. At this particular time, the market went down. The market has to go up because it's strong uptrend. So the market is going up. So as per the market movement, it has to go up at least from this point. But market took a downtrend from here until here. After that, market going up. This is called as correction. It can happen in uptrend or downtrend. In this uptrend, it's happened as downtrend. In a downtrend, it will happen as uptrend. So the change of the trend for a small period of time against the movement trend is called correction. So we have to know why this correction happening in the market. Because in this 6:56 time, there may be any news in the market. News mean maybe there is an announcement about some world economical events or some countries events regarding Euro USD countries again. So there may be some economical news in Euro or USD. Or there may be some events happening in the world at that point. Maybe there's a statement from a head of the bank or some head officials from countries given a statement, and that statement affect the Euro USD market price. So as per the statement, there may be an impact to reduce the price of the market, at least until this point. So as a result, the markets will suddenly start to fall. So the market falls until here. So this is a very common thing in the market. So the people who will get affected by this correction is those people who think this is a reversal point. As you can see, market moving up to here, and after that market is moving strong down. So the people will start to think that the market started reversals from here. So from this point onwards, the market is reversing and market will go down. So the people think like this will get affected because they will think that market will go down and take trades along with downtrend. So as in our channel, we are telling you about normal 1 to 5 minutes binary trading and that stuffs. So binary traders will won't affect by this so much. The people who are going to affect by this is the forex traders or stock share traders who are trading for a long time. Because when a forex trader decides that it is a reversal point and he started to place a trade at here in a downtrend pattern, and he places stop loss somewhere around here and he take profit somewhere around here, then at this time he will loss because market not reversed, market get correction. So market again started to go up and hit the stop loss and he lost the trade. So as a binary trader, you will not get very offended by this, but as a forex traders, you have to be very careful about market news. So there may be some news in the market at this time. So that's why the market fell down. So we can't predict the corrections. One only way to find it is correction or reversal, we have to see the market. So we have to get aware of the news. So we have to get aware of news, we have to get aware of expert statements. So by that only you can conclude is this is a correction or a reversal. Other than that, which we just watching the market only, you can't get an idea about what is it is correction or reversal. So we have to think about it. So binary traders will mostly trading 1 to 5 minutes trade, so they don't get affected by this so much, because after this correction over, they will try to trade along with the trend. But as a forex trader, you have to very concerned about this. So this is the thing regarding the correction stuffs, and this is very common in the market. It's happen every time. This is like some short correction, this is a very big correction. So corrections are very common in the market. You don't need to very panic about it, but you have to concern it if you are a long-term trader. As he asked, I explained you about what is correction and the stuffs behind that and the things behind it. So let's take some trades in this market. You can see it's OTC market, but trading in OTC is very risky, but let's take some trades. Okay, first I take a higher option here, because you can see there's a market is very high uptrend, and you can see there are only some retracement candles in the market. So we can go with bias. Simple as you can see, the retracement candles appears here, and so there's a hammer candle also in the middle of the trend. So we can go with bias, and it's a winning trade. So here we can see it's a strong breakout after the level, and there's another level also in the market. So it hammer in the level, so mostly it will continue the market. So another entry also bias, and if we get a good entry, we can go with bias. Okay, we get a good entry. Okay, I played higher option. I think it's definitely close as a green candle, because there's a strong hammer in the level. So you can see, okay, we won the trade. So this is how you have to trade. So I just took 2 trades in the market. So this is how you have to trade with some candlestick psychologies and market patterns. So hope you all learned something new in this video. I explained you about correction in the market and how to analyze it and trade with it, and I take some trades with candlestick psychology. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.